46 Ducati as well. Marco Bezzecchi could find himself somewhere near the top 3 here with this. Marc Marquez over the line, a 34.1. That's a fraction slower than he's been. Bagnaia goes into second. Marini to third. Marco Bezzecchi will come across line any moment now, and he goes into the top 3 ahead of his teammate Marini.
Top job again by Marco Bezzecchi. The plaudits will continue to go the way of that young man on that 72 Mooney VR46 Ducati machine. That's an outstanding ride. So inexperienced in these tricky conditions.